Hey, Brian Krause here, and today I'm getting myself packed. As you can see, got lots of gear because tomorrow we're heading off to the summit at Bethel Reserve for the 2023 National Jamboree. That was something we've been working on for every bit of a year personally, getting all of our scouts organized. And wow, this kind of seems like the final step in the process at home, which it is really only just the first step of now getting out to West Virginia. So let's get into it, let's get packed, and start moving our way along. Okay, as you can see, I've got everything packed up. I don't really know how I pulled it off, but I managed to get all of the stuff on the table, into my bag, and still a little bit of squishiness in there, so I think I can pack the last couple things. I really only have toiletries to put in one tiny bag, so I think I'm really ready to go. Tomorrow, 4 a.m., I can hop on those buses and roll on out to Jamboree.